So now you must have sourced your product. Maybe you have paid, and now you are concerned about how to ship your goods to your country. So welcome to stoplearn.com. I invite you to go to stoplearn.com and take this course. Right now we're going to look at how to sell imported, how to ship your goods to Nigeria or to your country. It's extremely important we look at this, because you might get a good deal, you might get a cheap product online, but if you don't know how to ship it, then shipping might gulp up all the money and you end up spending more while waiting for your goods to arrive. So you are in the last phase and most important part of the purchase. Receiving your goods safely in your country or Nigeria is the most important part of mini importation. You will need efficient and cheap shipping method to achieve this purpose. Shipping with Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is very flexible in their shipping methods. They do not have any specific shipping method, but you will have to negotiate or discuss with your supplier your preferred shipping method, which includes sea, air cargo, express, land, transportation, etc. So using Alibaba Trade Assurance, you can ship your goods from China to any other country in the world, except these are the countries you cannot ship to: Iran, North Korea, Syria, Cuba, Sudan, Egypt, and Crimea. Alibaba can review this list anytime here. So this is what shipping with Alibaba looks like. Alibaba will ask you your shipping method, and the options given is express, sea freight, air cargo, land, and postal. So let me ask you, which one will you prefer? So this is a screenshot of the order that I made some time ago. Which one will you prefer? We will come to it. Now, shipping with AliExpress. So unlike Alibaba.com, AliExpress has specified shipping methods that you choose on checkout to complete your order. This is the AliExpress standard shipping. AliExpress takes care of the shipment of your goods from the seller to you. AliExpress has partners for this, including companies like DHL, but whichever way, you will be rest assured that AliExpress is responsible for fulfilling your order and will ensure it gets to you, or they take responsibility for damages. So when you are shipping with when you are shipping through AliExpress, they have their own standard shipping. They will fulfill it for you. I've used it lots of times. It might take time to arrive, but it will definitely arrive, and if it doesn't, they will refund you. They have refunded me before. So let's look at the merits and demerits. It can be considered cheap. You can get as low as free shipping. Yes, that's true. For example, if you go to AliExpress and you want to buy something, let's say you go to phone, let's just say you go to phone accessories. We talked about phone accessories. You will notice something about the shipping. Okay, so these are phone. Okay, let's just search for it. Search for phone. Just search for phone accessories. Okay. Now you will notice shipping of this is 0.57, but you will always notice free shipping. It's in AliExpress that you will see free shipping. Most times I do my research and find the price of that product. For example, if the product is supposed to be 0.29, if I know the product is 0.29, I will just click here, free shipping. This will filter all of them. So you see free shipping, all of them free shipping. Then you will go to the one that have the same pricing and the same description of the product you want to buy. So AliExpress allow you to even ship without paying for the shipping. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it wonderful? Free shipping. So now you see, usually you don't get to see this in Alibaba. In Alibaba, you have to pay for the shipping. So the catch is sometimes they add the price of the shipping to the product, so which means the product is not really cheap. So you have to be very careful. Don't just rush into it. Find the price first and check if somebody is selling at that price and also giving you free shipping. Okay, so that is the merit of AliExpress standard shipping. You can have free shipping. You can also track your package. Yes, you can track it. You don't track your package with AliExpress. There's also professional service and packing handled by AliExpress subsidiaries. So you also have AliPay protection in case of loss or any other serious issue. The disadvantage is it can take more than 2 weeks to arrive. Very slow. I can tell you. You know, I've been using for years, and it's not suitable for bulky items. So if you want to buy bulky items, don't go to AliExpress. Simply go to Alibaba. Alibaba is for starters. For example, you want to buy 100 pieces of one single item, go to Alibaba. Don't go to AliExpress. So now let's look at general guide for mail importation shipping. Now this guide applies to any platform you are purchasing from, be it 1688, Alibaba, Taobao, or AliExpress, or Tmall, or whatever, what have you. First of all, we encourage you to, number one, start with small or lightweight packages, say less than 10 kg. Because of this, the preferred shipping method must not be by sea. Okay, whatever thing you are shipping must not be by sea. Sea is for bulky container load for big items. Also note that products with batteries attract higher shipping, so I advise you to stay away from products that has batteries. Stay away from power banks, toys that have batteries. Many of them may not be able to be shipped by freight, by air. So always look out for free shipping, like I just showed you, but compare with the price of the product. So DHL shipping is faster but very expensive. Try to avoid it. So when you are shipping, do not use DHL. You are doing business, except it's for your personal purpose, you can use DHL, but for business, the price will be so much. Okay, when you're using Amazon, like AliExpress, will fulfill it by themselves. They have fulfilled by Amazon. So if you use Amazon, then they will also ship it for you and take responsibility. But there is something I'm going to show you in this tutorial, which I call faster shipping through a Chinese agent. Okay, now there are Chinese agents, especially in Guangzhou, China, that specializes in helping you pick up the item and ship it down to your country. If you live in Nigeria, if you live in Kenya, America, India, Uganda, South Africa, Ghana, wherever you live, most times there are Chinese companies that will assist you. Okay, they will help you ship this item. So I personally beat the shipping method that takes at least 2 weeks, and I received my goods barely in 1 week. This is because I have Chinese agents in Guangzhou City, China, that serve as my China address. So what I am saying here is, if you are shipping, for example, you are shipping with Alibaba, you can choose land transportation, and then they will ask you your address. In the address, you will have to put in the address of your Chinese agent, not your own address, because land transportation is only within China to China or neighboring country. Okay, I hope you understand. So there are Chinese agents that if you have their contact, they will serve as your own office. the goods will be shipped from your supplier to that agent's office. Okay, and that agent will in turn fly it to your country. So my agent will go ahead to fly in the goods as soon as possible. I use this method for all my Alibaba orders and it works. Shipping through DHL or any other means is usually more expensive. So how can you get this Chinese agent? There are plenty of it. Just search for them online depending on your country. If you want to know the one I use, you can contact us using this link, stopline.com/contact. Okay, I just hope I'm clear enough on how to ship. So these shipping agents are actually faster because when they pick your goods, they will now go to the airport and meet travelers who are willing to sell their kg, their extra weight. So these travelers will help them transport, and they will go to the airport. They also have agents in your country, so they will pick it up, and it's so fast. So I usually receive goods in one week, just 1 week. So that is all for how to ship your goods to Nigeria or your country. If you have any question, you can ask, you can comment and ask, but I believe I have been clear enough. So the next one we're going to look at is how to deal with fraud, and this is very, very, very important. You don't have to miss it. So subscribe and make sure you follow us as we do this. How to deal with fraud while importing goods to your country from China. Thank you.